In the zone. In the zone. Alright guys.
We're back.
Well, yeah, we're back. Welcome back to another amazing episode of Bad Fat.
Yeah, boy. Sorry, we've been away. We've been up to all sorts of mischief.
Yeah, quite a lot of mischief actually.
Changes in life.
Yeah, changes. We've actually both been on like the same journey, so it's pretty good. But yeah, we're back and we have an interesting video. You may have seen this, I think, in a couple of videos.
Yeah, there's a couple clips of it, but we've been working behind the scenes while we've been away.
Yeah,
and putting in a lot of money.
We're about to show you guys what we've been up to, and then we'll tell you a little bit more after that, eh?
Yeah, sounds perfect.
Oh, mate, you got to watch our YouTube. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, Bad Fab.
Bro, that rain.
Yeah.
That's loud.
I know. The downside of the shed.
It's great. It's better than standing out there in it.
It's better than being in it. Yeah, true. Let's quickly show you guys what I ran into the other day when I started stripping everything out of the front of the car. I'll let this down slowly. So I started stripping everything out of the car, and it decided that it was going to be a lot. And as I pulled the cross member out, the car started disappearing. So I had to quickly screw the cross member back on and then put a jack under the car. So I'm going to get Dylan to stand on the front of it while I quickly spin the jack around so it's not in the way.
Oh yeah, I'll get her down.
Yeah. Just don't get off it.
Yeah, I'm secure. 3 points. Yeah, fresh fuel pump. Fresh tube ski.
We on? Yeah, actually, hang on. Shit. She's ready. Okay. Ready? Don't let go of the sump when you do it. Yeah, that was minimal. Beauty. How far away can we get? Oh. Not too far. That is 373-ish.
What do you want?
No, hang on. That is 375. I'm gonna leave it right there. Ow!
Not that ass.
Yeah, it's a pretty big tack.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure it's not on the move.
Vehicle.
It's only about that long.
No.
The best thing. Do you want to jam?
No, you run it,
Sure?
Yeah.
Jam.
Fine.
You just gotta like. Oh, feels like a.
Try and take the biggest part of the gap. Oh, she not even.
Oh, yep.
Oh. It's a tack. It is a tack.
It is there. It is there. Maybe chuck one just at the top there a little. like that sort of thing.
Yeah, nice adjusting bit.
Bam! It's different. Nah.
Close enough.
Oh. One there and one there.
One of those, one of those, one of those.
Surely that's how she.
And then we'll go 245 in from each end. For the centre mark of our little. Not even 250.
Not 250. No, because it's 10 mils shorter than the section is 10 mils shorter than 1200. So we'll just do 5 mil less on those bits to make up for that.
Same.
So it's still 700 in the middle.
Yeah.
And then it's 5 mil shorter on the end, which shouldn't matter. And then possibility of a kink in the middle. So half of a level 19, we'll put a mark there. See over there.
Yeah.
Which is 595.
Maths.
A little more, you reckon?
Oi, keep down filming over here.
Well, that looks pretty fucking cool if you ask me.
Does there a fit? May look cool, but might not fit. No, yeah.
That's alright though. Because we can just send tabs off. Or we can just maybe give it a... That looks good.
Perfect first try. Oh! Nice.
Open it a tactile. Oh, that's a bit... Okay, maybe we can do just a
Pumping.
tiny bit more.
And that'll grab that bar.
There you go.
Now match that.
Now we match
there.
that with the other one.
Starting to look like some sort of insect.
Yeah. Put a tap on this. And try
And hit it with a hammer.
Yeah. And then because I know this side is 20 mils higher, if I just go like that. Yeah. He looks on this. Underneath that bar.
Oh yeah.
That's all. Yeah. How good.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Little mounts in here.
Yeah.
Couple little mounts in here. And then we'll chuck a few tabs off on here for that to screw into.
Yeah.
A little tab here for the light. Maybe something in here for that bottom one if it needs it. Same on this side.
It's coming together.
Little tab at the bottom here.
No, yeah,
On
just
that-
under there for that bar.
On that bottom bar there. And then we'll sort out the radiator and all that. Because that, now that we've got that sitting there, we've got two to choose from, but one doesn't really want to work. So I'm thinking that ain't going to go down in there. Definitely won't go under that.
Oh, between the lights.
No. Won't, it's too wide.
Big go.
Subaru radio, too wide. Might get away with that maybe. So we'll see how we go.
Just go pay by D's.
Yeah, we go. Looking good, looking good. After this, it should almost be just a few small things.
Yeah, mate.
We're good, we're good.
Alright, so as you've seen in that quick time lapse right there,
Looks like a car.
looks like a car. We've sort of got somewhere. I'm actually quite surprised that me and Dylan have been able to make a masterpiece like this. But yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. This is what we did. It looks good. We've got it to the point where it needs some paint. So I've got Dylan out. I went to Bunnings and I brought a lot of paint. And we're gonna just prep this a little bit more because it needs a few bits and pieces.
Yeah, as you can see, I've probably got grinding dust on the ground, but
Yeah.
it's been going hard.
Yeah, I've been going pretty hard with the old grinder with the wire wheel and all of that, and making a few mistakes and having to clean them up. So yeah, we'll get into doing some painting in a second, but before that, we'll show you this. We'll show you this in there, in that little time-lapsey bit you might have seen. Dill's making some of these in the background somewhere. We've got those welded in. I made Dylan and the bro Caleb, who's in Canada right now. He can't be here, but I made him. All three of us have a turn at welding these engine mounts on. So everyone is to blame when they come off.
If they come off.
No, this thing. Right, well, I'm just going to skip straight to it. The TD 27T. This thing's going to make so much torque, mate. It's going to twist this whole car. No. But yeah, so this is the power plant. This is what is going to be going in this mighty weapon of a drift car. Caleb, again, very good friend to have. You'd be lucky to have one in your lifetime. Got me a fully refurbished pump that was, I think it was a 10mm and now it's 12mm. And he sent it away to this lovely chap right here. Got that sorted for me and sorted the injectors as well. And got a turbo champion and a water pump. And supplied me this actual whole motor and gearbox.
Too much.
Yeah.
Too much.
So yeah, he's an absolute legend. He's an absolute legend. So this is what's going to be powering it. But don't need to do any more on that just yet, because we'll do some more on that in the next video. But for now, me and Dills are just going to attack this engine bay with these spray paint cans. We're going to hit it. Yeah, what Dylan said.
Well, you can't keep going.
I know, it won't fucking stop. Like every little bit, every little shake, a little bit more comes out.
Not bad thing.
There we go. Now she's done. Right. And there we go. That's,
Oh yeah, I forgot it's actually recording.
yeah, it's actually recording. So, bro, that actually looks pretty.
Yeah, come out. Give them a
Oh shit!
Looks like you got a car in your shit now.
Oh, it actually looks like a proper car. How good?
Just removing all the rusty metal.
How good? We just got. We'll get the jack stands moved at some point. Spray paint the underside of that bit. But that looks. We don't know what happened here. If anyone definitely knows exactly what happened here.
There's too many possibilities for someone to know.
Some chemical reaction has gone on. The wax and grease, I'm like 99% sure was dry. Because it's done it nowhere else.
It's a bit cold today.
Yeah. But like, it's done it nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
So it's done this effect on that part of the shock tower, and then it's also done it on the firewall. So yeah, if someone could explain or knows what that is, that'd be great. But yeah, ta-da,
Very good, bloody nice.
ta-da. So yeah, I think that'll.
It's looking like a car for the first time in probably 6 months since you cut the shock tower out of the thing.
Yeah, this whole shock tower is pretty much gone. So
That rebuilding the shock tower didn't
go too well.
Yeah.
So well, I got told it wasn't a good idea.
It would have gone well.
I would
You
have.
didn't need it. Didn't need to do that.
Didn't need it. I was getting make myself just a job. It was way too hard.
You're just tubing the whole car at that point.
Yeah. But yes, I think that's everything mostly for this part one.
Yeah.
Bit of a paint.
She's all prepped. She's all ready.
She's all ready.
Motor's prepped.
This is the motor. Got everything for that.
Got heaps of parts to play
Wastegates,
with.
turbos, water pumps, V-bands. You know the lot.
All your seal kits.
Oh yeah, and then we've got all this.
Fun stuff.
So then I've gone on a shopping spree, not at Bunnings, and I've gone and brought a brand new clutch to go on here. I've also gone and brought some fresh brake pads for the whole thing, brake fluid, courtesy of our sponsor, Giant Legends, absolute legends.
But they got brake fluids?
Yeah, bro, yeah, and coolant. I found out. So yeah. Got all the gaskets, everything we need. We need to make a homemade gearbox mount bracket rubber thingy. New rocker cover for the motor because it's got that not nice filler neck on it. Couple studs. Turns out I don't actually need those, but that's right. Some spacers for the front wheels. Brand new fuel pump. Springs for the wastegate. Obviously starter motor and all that stuff, and then we're going to paint all of this. But I'm not going to tell you how I'm going to paint it. It's going to be a surprise when it's done, or when I'm doing it in the video, and then you'll see. So we just need to get these in a bathtub sort of design, maybe that tub down there or something, full of this stuff.
And the grease off it.
The toilet cleaner stuff. Apparently, I'm going to give it a jam. So we're going to give that a jam, and then we're going to paint that, and we'll see how we go with that. But yeah,
Get excited for all those parts.
yeah,
For that to go in there.
yeah, for that to go, that thing,
Wapow.
pick that up
Wapow.
with that thing, and then we're on. So just a little video to get it going, sort of show you what we're up to and what's happening. So
Things are happening.
things are definitely happening, and hopefully the next video is not too far. Extension cord.
Away.
Hopefully the next video is not too far away from this one, and we'll catch you then.
Yeah, boy.
It was down, so that makes sense. Turbo line. Oh, mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, bad fab.